Want to create a gradient text effect in After Effects? I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to create a gradient text effect in Adobe After Effects. Now let's get started.
First, we need to create a new composition. Go up and click on New Composition. In the pop-up window, set the frame size to 1920 by 1080, which is perfect for HD videos. Then click OK. Now grab the Type tool and click anywhere on the frame to create a text box. Type out your text inside the text box. Once that's done, select the text and increase the font size so it's clearly visible. Then align the text to the center. After that, switch to the selection tool and position the text right in the middle of the frame. Alright, now we're ready to add the gradient effect. Let's close the properties panel and go over to the effects and presets tab. Inside the search bar, type 4 color gradient. Just a quick tip here, make sure you type it with a hyphen. If you accidentally add a space instead, the effect might not show up. Once you see it, simply drag the 4 color gradient effect onto your text layer. Now you'll notice 4 points appear around your text. These are the color control points for the gradient. Now drag those points closer to the text. This helps create a more dynamic and noticeable gradient. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel. Here you can click on any of the colors and change them to whatever you like. You can keep it simple with 2 main colors or use all 4 colors to create something more vibrant and colorful. Turn on keyframes for all the colors and the points. Just make sure keyframes are enabled for all 4 colors and all 4 positions. Once that's done, move the timeline forward a few seconds. Now start moving those gradient points around the frame. In my case, I'll simply move one point to a different position. You don't need to be super precise here, just shift them around to create some movement. After adjusting the points, you can also change the colors. A good tip here is to avoid using the exact same shade. Instead, pick slightly different shades of your colors. It will create better contrast and make the gradient look more interesting. Alright, now let's play it back. You will see a really smooth animated color gradient moving across your text. Now if you want this animation to loop continuously, here's a quick trick. Expand your text layer, then go to Effects, then 4 color gradient and expand positions and colors. Select all of the keyframes and copy them using Ctrl C on your keyboard. Move forward a few seconds on the timeline and paste the keyframes. You can keep pasting them as many times as you want, depending on how long you want the animation to loop. Let's play it again from the start. And there you have it, a beautiful animated gradient text effect that keeps looping smoothly.